Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you a 2022 Chevrolet Suburban. Here we can see a little bit of the inside. Now we can take a look at the back. Now let's look at the trunk. Pretty spacious. I believe you can also drop the seats and be more space, which is pretty nice. You can also lift this up. Okay. And over here we can see the rims and the tires. We can see it says Suburban. Logo right here. This is it for the exterior. Now we'll take a look at the interior. You can see here that it has steering wheel and the buttons. Everything over here also has more of the system over here. And over here the screen, and then instead of having like the shifting over here, it has buttons instead. It's pretty cool. We have the control system over here as well with outlets. We have two cup holders, and then glove compartment. Two more outlets over here. Over here has this open. Not sure what we use that for, but pretty nice. Over here, another pretty spacious as well. See, it has black leather seats. This one does not have a sunroof, but it does have more controls here, as well as lights. See, on the doors it has the lock and unlock button, as well for the windows. Now let's take a look at the back. Now we're in the back, and you can see here it has two cup holders, and we have the AC and the heating system. Also for the seats, I'm pretty sure it's just heating. Down here, oh, we have some outlets, not bad. And then we also have this one over here. Then we have lights right here, and we have the AC vents. Then we have these two seats. There's not one in the middle. I would say for easy access to go in the back. And I believe they're called captain seats. If they're not, we can blame the cameraman because that's what he told me they were called. Then we have cup holders in the back as well. I believe those are outlets as well. It's pretty spacious. If you're interested in this vehicle, you can contact Francisco at Skyline Ford in Salem, Oregon.